Hey there, today I am doing my May cash stuffing. I have not cash stuffed in like over a year, I think, because I was full digital before. But I do see some things about that were not working for me. So some of my categories have been moved to cash. If you caught my budget video, which was last week, then you already know some of this, but today we're going to go ahead and stuff all my cash. All right, so first things first is my cash. I took $874 out of the bank. Let's go ahead and count all this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 ones. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 152, 253, and 200. And that's 874. So you can see here, I tried to get $2 bills from my bank, but they told me that I have to call in advance now because the bank doesn't carry them. I have to get them from the main branch. So hopefully I remember next month to call in advance, which is bonkers to me, but yay. Okay, so this is all correct. Let me go ahead and get this out of the way. And just in case you didn't see my budget, this is my budget. There is my income, my living expenses, 700 of this went on my reloadable debit card, which I moved over at the beginning of the month, and 414 went to my savings, which covered these digital envelopes. So there's that, and then the cash. Oh, and this is how I track those digital envelopes. And then what is left is my cash, and it is already all broken down and easy. So when I stuff, I don't have to sit here and worry about not having correct change or anything. But let's see here. So the first thing that we're going to do is look at my calendar. So this I actually treat as a no spend calendar. So I'm going to mark the days that I haven't spent up until today. Okay, so to me, a spend day is a day that you don't budget for. Anything that I budget for, I don't consider that spending because I've budgeted for it. So I have actually not spent anything this month. So look at me go. I am super proud of myself. And hey, I have something real. I'm not going to like torture you guys with a bunch of babbling in this video, but there is something that I started recently. And for any of you who struggle with cleaning your home, if you have ADHD or you just simply struggle with keeping it organized and stuff, I have started a routine that is the most simplistic thing ever, and I don't know why I didn't do it before. I'm cleaning a room a day. So I actually have all of my rooms set out for every day of the week. And when I'm in those rooms, it includes, so like the dining room includes the cat bowls. So I clean the cat bowls by hand and make sure everything's clean for the kitty. And then when I'm doing the laundry room, that includes washing the laundry and the litter box. So all of the things that used to overwhelm me are no longer overwhelming. It's like, I can tell myself, it's just one room. Just get it done. You can do it. So like even the sweeping and stuff, it's easy. And if you can't do all of it in one day, at least you've done something, right? So even if you don't get the whole room, at least you tried, you got part of it, you sorted things out or whatever. But anyway, for someone like me, schedules and routines are very difficult for me to follow. So they have to be super easy and make sense. And I need to see results. And that one is working pretty good for me. If you have any easy tips for overwhelming tasks, go ahead and put them below. I would love to hear them because I am the queen of overstimulated and overwhelmed. But yeah, so we're doing good with our no spending. So pretty proud of that. All right, so now let's go ahead and move this around a little. Lefty doesn't like where that is. All right, this is much easier. Okay. So the emergency fund is getting 100, 150, and 200. I cannot believe that I have this much money to put in here. We have struggled for years to have any kind of money to have. And you guys, I'm telling you, you can do it. You can start getting out of that debt. And it might seem like little by little, and you don't feel like you're taking any steps, but you are, believe me. Because if you told me 5 years ago that we would have had our house paid off, I wouldn't have believed you. And our car. We have like just regular living expenses. And, you know, granted, our home, we did it a way that I still think is feasible today. We got a piece of property, right? We waited. Then you have your septic and your water put in. Then you wait. Then you have your concrete poured, right? You wait. Then you get a mobile home to put on it. Now, I know some people don't like mobile homes. We live in South Carolina. Even in Florida, I lived in a mobile home. I have no problem with mobile homes or modular homes or whatever you want to call them now. It's a home, and it's as beautiful as you want to make it. My pappy used to always say, it's what inside the four walls that matter. That's what makes your home. So I'm just saying, if you're feeling a little overwhelmed by the house prices and you feel like you can't afford a house one day, that is an option to go, because since we did that route, we are comfortable. I mean, I wouldn't say that we're set. We're not financially secure, but we are comfortable. And I am finally able to do things like have an emergency fund. So yeah, just keep trying, guys. Little by little, you will get there. And if you actually do it 5 years from now, you will be a completely different place. Okay, let me get enough babbling. Let me get back to this. Gypsy is my kitty, and she gets 40 for hers. And like I said, so this is my first cash stuffing in a while, so there is nothing in here. My expenses from last month, I was not tracking. I'm a terrible person, but moving forward, you guys are gonna see, I'm gonna actually put my receipts in here, and I'm gonna be good about this. All right, Date Noms gets 120. Repairs gets 50 and 100. Home gets another 50 and 100. And I have a feeling I'm going to be digging in that one soon. There are a couple things around the house that I would like to get, like a trash can and some other things. 5 20s for gifts. So 20, 40, 60, 81 for gifts. Okay. Travel gets a $100 bill. So I don't know where we're going to go for travel next. I'm thinking it'll be Utah. It could be Jen in Florida. Those are our only two places we really like to go. But yeah, that's pretty funny. Okay, so whatever gets 2 20s and a 10. So here's this. And that is, look at me, I did it. I haven't done this in so long. It is such a good feeling when you cash stuff and you know like all of your finances are taken care of. Wow. And it really makes you want to like get into other things and start organizing more. But what is left is for my savings challenges. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back in here, and it should be, let's make sure it's correct. 70 and 10s, 60, 70, 11 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, that's right. There's more because of the 2s. I couldn't have my $2. This should be 10. Yeah, because that was supposed to be those 2s, and they wouldn't give them to me. So that is correct. And 19 of these, which I already know is correct because I remember counting it in the beginning. So this is my savings challenge money. So I'm going to do the 2 mini Mondays where I alternate with Jen. Why are you like this? So yeah, the 2 mini Mondays, I'm getting a different one. Shame on you. I'll get my husband to fix that. I will win this battle. You will not win this battle, okay? But yeah, so this is for the 2 mini Mondays. And honestly, I am dying to play some of these other games that are full size. So I'm gonna try and figure out how to work all that together. But that is my, but there it is. We did it, we cash stuffed. Thank you guys for hanging out with me and keeping me motivated, because like I said, I will fall off the wagon if I am not motivated or it is not interesting. But that is it for me today. I will see you guys. I think my next video will be the Hello Honey Monday savings challenges. So I will see you then. Have a great day, guys. Bye.